Hello, and we're off on another little trip. We're going to, I don't know, we might have to go to 3 to have a look. I'm a day early. I've got to go, well, not a day early. I go tomorrow morning, and I have arrived because it's 7 o'clock in the morning flight, and I fed up with getting up at 3 in the morning to have a catch 7 o'clock in the morning flights. So I'm staying over in a hotel here. But there's not a lot of people about, and I'm all parked up there. I'm in the multi-storey, and it goes straight into the terminal. And I've got to be able to get from here somehow to the hotel. I'll figure it out. Looks like this is where I need to be in the morning though. So I'm hoping, just hoping, that I can find my way to the hotel. And work out how to go from here to there. Things. Put that on the floor. Yeah, put that in to get your lights. Right. So let's have a look what this is like. So this is the Radisson Blu at Manchester Airport. So you can store your luggage. That's nice shower. What's in here? Well, got the safe, somewhere to hang stuff, won't be doing any of that because I am leaving in the morning. Oh, got some bottles of water and some biscuits and chocolate. We've got a fridge, bet there's nothing in it. Yep, nothing in it, but it's cool, so I could put the water in there. Well, this is a nice looking room. Yeah, looks like a wide bed, quite a big gap in the middle between the pillows there. But oh, it does look nice. Now, when I got in, they didn't say anything at check-in, but obviously I'm a Radisson member, and I collect the points, and you get upgrades when you can. They didn't mention it, but I booked a standard room, and I'm on floor 8, and the lift told me I was in a premium room. So this looks nice. So we can get on the telly, and then it's up in a few hours' time to head out and head over on my next little journey. So I've got a picture of car parks and stuff and hotels. So we are, I am in my room, very nice room, as I mentioned. It's a premium room, but I didn't ask or book for that, so that's the beauties of booking regularly and being a member and collecting points. I just checked. Room temperature is 22 degrees, which is a bit blimmin' hot, but it is trying to cool itself down to 16. It's only just come on when I put the key in the thing, so that's a downside in the UK. When it's hot weather, they don't bother putting air conditioning on in the rooms. I suppose it saves some money, doesn't it? Hey ho. USBs on the plugs next to the bed, and oh, they've got a UK and European plug for those that travel. There's some TV connectors there, audio connectors, you'll see those and stuff, so you can connect up and share a screen, I suppose, to this TV. Right, so right, well, I'm going to get my head down and set my alarm for being up early. I won't be able to have breakfast here because I've got to be out before they start. I'm on a 7 o'clock flight tomorrow morning, and I think I've got to be 5:30. I've got to be over there, so to check in and everything. Anyway, we'll see. Anyway, looking forward to a weekend in sunshine. here we are, all arrived, all parked up. Well, that's got to be one seriously underpowered car. It's okay though, it's only an hour drive here. I'm going to sit here for 3 days and take me back to the airport, so it's done all right. It's much better luck. It's always a benefit. There we go. Right, now, let's see if we can get into the hotel, eh? Might have a view. We shall see.
Piso 4.
421. Right, room 421 on the 4th floor at the 525 Hotel. This looks okay. Nicely, recently renovated, I would say. These rooms have been. There's rain shower there. What we got in here? We've got. Oh, there's the safe. Just some storage. That's good. Absolutely massive bed again. So it's only me ever in these things. In here, what we got? Oh, no alcohol, but some soft drink. Oh, there's a beer. It's on the other side. Yeah, what are we using them? There's a desk, chair, table. That all looks all right, doesn't it? And looks like we've got a balcony. Balcony overlooking. Oh, you can see over there. And that's a nice view, isn't it? There we go. Right, well, it's midday on Saturday, and I'm heading out to meet my friends. So, good night last night, and then just recovered. That wasn't planned. Anyway, hey, when you're away, you've got to enjoy it. So let's go and see sunshine. I've already got my factor 50 on. So. That's it, end of the weekend, and now heading back, all checked out. It's been really nice here again, as it was last year. So just waiting for the lifts. Always a bit slow. That's it. Here we are, back in the underground garage. Sort a few things out. One car, which I left it, looks fine. Got about an hour and something drive now, back to the port. So that's not too bad. Lunchtime flight back to Manchester. There we go. Oh.